We're in
Jamaica.
Rode here on the bus, now you're one of us. It was magic hour.
we're in Jamaica, guys, and today is Saturday, beach day. So Kelsey is ready to go to the beach.
Yes.
And it will also be Baby Soraya's first time in the island and going to the beach. So stay tuned, keep watching as we journey and make our way to the beach.
Hey guys, we're almost at the beach, and I'm gonna play with the sandcastle. I'm gonna make a sandcastle, play with the waves at the beach, and it's gonna be Soraya's first time at the beach. Hope she enjoys her first time at the beach. Stay tuned.
We're at the beach with Mommy. Look at Mommy looking at the water. She want to go in the water. You look like you want to go in the water. So you want to go in the water? You want to go in the water, baby? Look at her good mouth. My baby in her swimsuit. Look at Mommy. Say hi. Put her on this way. Oh, producer. Jesus. You show the girls today. So we made it at the beach. I got it baby foot for the first time. Should I get the right seat? You can't get them here for you know. Well, I don't know still, but it's just not the same. So, time for the baby foot! You ready for going at the seat? You ready? You ready? Alright, let's go.
Hi guys,
You're at the beach now?
we're at the beach.
The water feels.
It feels so nice.
Come here, can you come do something for me?
Huh?
I want you to do something for me.
Okay.
I want you to hold the phone and show them when I dip in baby. Wash off your hand and come back.
They're wet.
That's fine. Wipe it from my shorts or your shorts. Wipe it somewhere.
Okay.
Mommy dip her foot there. Feel nice. Tell her to say, yes, me dip my foot, Papa. You see your Papa? Tell him. Sexy much. Uh-oh. How you like Jamaican beach?
I love it. I'm making sand clouds.
As you can see, we reach at the beach and chill out, have a drink already, and just roll a vibe. And we're at Bamboo Blue.
Bamboo Blue, watch your rails.
Yes, right beside Rio.
Yes, still watching.
It's ready? Hotel?
Right beside Rio.
Yes, so we're just next door to them. Nice little vibration. We're just a chill. We know food to come while we have a little drinky drink, and it really feels good for them in Jamaica on the beach. You can see I live our best life out there, so. So yeah, when we lick up the cook, come and show you the food. Hi, Mama. Yeah. What should she do? What are you doing? What are you doing, Kissy? You good, Kissy? Having fun?
Yes, I am. I'm having so much fun.
Good.
Wait, I'm gonna build a sandcastle.
You have to do it on the beach. Sit on the side and build it. Further down. Whew, the food come. This is nice. It's hot. No. But you're making that shit. Jesus. Eh? Hold on there. Where it goes down. Everybody digging in. If a baby Soraya digging in, watch our little face. And Kelsey. I will put them here so because we don't have any table. But it works. So I'm done eat this. Now we resume. Eating, that was delightful. Just chilling. That's what you do when you're on the beach. Just chill with this one here. Climb. This one here climbing. Oh. Just girl, just sis. Let me share the view. That's the view.